Alright, hey, this is Dallas from rebelread.com. Today I'm going to show you a simpler version of a very cool Brazilian jazz forró tune written by a genius musician named Hermeto Pascoal. The song is called Forro Brasil, and it has 3 sections. I'm going to tell you about the register switches we're going to use. In the right hand, you're going to use bandoneon, which is 1 middle, 1 low. And in the left hand, you're going to use bass piano, which for me is located right under my register switch, although that's on a lot of accordions, but not all accordions. Bass piano is the bass register that has just the low notes and not the very highest set of reeds. So it sounds like this. I'm going to go over the 3 sections for the song right now for you. I also want to show you the chart that a friend who plays this music really, really well gave me. And it's cool because the original key for the song is C minor, but this chart puts it in D minor, which is a lot easier because it uses the white notes, mostly the white notes. The 3rd section uses some black notes, but it makes it easier. So let's go ahead and go through the melody. So the melody is going to go like this. Let me do that one more time slow. Just like that. Okay, now the left hand, we're going to do, I always like to teach my students to use the 4th finger on the basses. If you already play and you're really stuck on 3rd finger, don't worry about it. But if you're new, try to use 4th finger. That's what everybody uses these days. So we're going to do 4th finger on the bass note and then 2nd finger on the chord. This kind of music, forró, the core of it is this rhythm that goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So most of the left hand is going to be playing that groove. And we're going to break it up in the 1st section for a bass on the first one, a chord for the 2nd and 3rd. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good. And I'll talk through the chords. So you have 2 bars of D minor, 1 bar of G7, and 1 bar of D minor to start. And then D minor for 2 bars, and then you're going to go G7, A7, and then D minor, all in 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here we go. Ready? Go. D minor, D minor, G7, D minor, D minor, D minor, G7, A7, D minor. And that's it. So let me play the 1st section slow. That's it. Okay, so when you do the 1st section, you can do the melody once alone. Then bring in the left hand. Okay, cool. All right, now we're going to do the 2nd section. Let me play the 2nd section for you. So I'll teach it to you slowly. We're starting on D again. So I've got a couple grace notes in there. And that's the melody. It happens twice. Let me go over the left hand. Now for the left hand, we're going to do a slightly different pattern on the B section because it helps when you make subtle changes like that. It helps the different sections sound different. So we're going to go G. It's the same rhythm, but we're going to do, instead of bass, chord, chord, we're going to do bass and chord together 3 times in each measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then D minor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. G, D minor, G, F. Now that one is a little bit more complex. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. See, you go to the F at the last, the third one instead of the next one of the next bar. You'll hear it when you hear the melody. But I'll start right there. That's halfway through the B. And then we have G, A7, D minor. All right. Let me put the 2 hands together. So. Here it is. And that's the second section. All right, here we go. Here's the third section. The third section is the most complex. It's a little bit jazzier here in the chords, and it moves away from the key of D minor. Let me play it so you can hear it. And then repeats. Just like that. Okay, I'll go through the melody slowly. So that's C, E. That's it. Okay. Now, the left hand is going to go G minor and then C. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then we go F major to B flat 7. Same thing in the same bar. So F, B flat, and then E flat up to A7. So a big jump. And then D minor, D7. And then it sort of repeats. G minor, C7, F, B flat, 7. And then we go E flat to F. Again, E flat to F. And then all the sections end with. That's pretty cool. It ties them all together. Okay, so I'll do it. I'll say the chords while I'm playing. So G minor to C, G minor, C7, F major, B flat 7, E flat major, A7, D minor, D7, and then G minor, C7, F major, B flat 7, E flat to F, E flat, F, and then G, A, D, just like that. All right, let's go ahead and put that third section together. Now we'll do it twice. There you go. All right, now we're going to do the whole thing. We'll do the first section just the right hand. Each section we're going to do twice. So go A, 2 times, B 2 times, C 2 times, and then we'll do A 1 time to end it. Alright, first time, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And there's Forro Brasil. Look for the channel, let's see. Rate, review, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go ahead and look for more videos coming. I make these videos as I teach a lot of private lessons through Rebel Read, and I make these videos for my students who want to learn stuff.